Hey guys, it's Aina, and I want to introduce to you guys this amazing app called WePlay. So it's been a year since I first rather downloaded WePlay, and honestly, I have zero regrets in installing this app. Bakit? Kasi ang dami kong nakilalang tao dito na naging kaibigan ko. And some of them nakilala ko na in person. And that just made our bond grow stronger. And don't get me started. Here's how we play. Siyempre, ano bang ginagawa namin dito aside sa pag interact? Of course, we also play games. Anong klaseng games? Siyempre, nandiyan yung mic grab, Jackaro, Bingo, Oh My Card, Who's the Spy, Last Bridge, yung kaya sa Squid Game. And also, don't get me started sa cultivation. Ay nako, dito marami ako nakilalang tao palalo. Mas lalong napalaki yung circle of friends ko. Imagine nang dahil lang sa laro, dahil lang sa kurutan, dahil lang sa detalo sa realm, naging kaibigan ko yung mga taong to. And as some of you may not know, I'm an ambivert. So, I don't usually open up agad sa ibang tao. Pero dito, I don't know why, but my extrovert side really came out. I mean, syempre kasi, lalo na kapag nasa tamang circle ka, yung mga tao na nakilala mo dito, trustworthy and all, like, sobrang saya nila kasama. You'll realize na, oh my God, true friendships can actually start here in this app. So, ano ba hinihintay mo if you're looking for fun, games, and real connections? Download WePlay now and see it for yourself. Who knows? Baka tulad ko, mahanap mo rin dito yung mga kaibigan na tatrato kang tama. Uy, tatrato kang tama. Uy, ano yan? Lang guys. Bye-bye.